Okay, quick workshop tour. It is an absolute state. We have a little computer in here. I was originally intending to hook that up to that very old non-functional CNC lathe, but I can't get the damn thing working. Big bunch of tools, angle grinder, little drill, huge vise, always useful. This is the worktop I'm working on. So these little things here will have a little roller installed in here. There's a little roller which will then sit over here and allow this to roll in and out nice and smoothly. Also, focus, you fuck, pretty well done. Or pretty well done. And a little gap here, I'm going to put a little bit of Teflon, which I've got in here somewhere, possibly under here and amongst this lot. I also stripped down a whole bunch of old lithium batteries to scavenge some cells, which are useful for projects and building more batteries. Air compressor, old stuff. This is the bonnet for my MR2, which I will be replicating in carbon fibre. Got the fancy new air scoop. This is the old lathe. It's very old, from like 1970s. It runs really nicely. It is a three-phase lathe. This little doother here, single phase to three-phase. Pretty standard drill press, nothing fancy. A whole lot of stuff I need to find a hole for. It came with the big arse milling machine. That should not be open. Let's get this flipped up. We also got a little bandsaw here. Some blue Dicom for markup, just to make these little flanges that we'll use to secure the runners. Here's a TIG welder. I can't show you it working because the UV would absolutely annihilate the camera on the phone. And a giant gas bottle. This is a very old saw, sometimes called a donkey saw. What it actually is, if I can move some stuff out of the way, is a power hacksaw. And it is intended to operate as such for cutting large pieces of bar stock and such things. It's very large, very heavy, very worn out, but it still cuts quite straight. And that's it. That's the workshop. Oh yeah, I've got a sandblasting cabinet here. A log burner for where it gets cold in the winter. More fun and exciting tools in here. And a whole bunch of tools along here.